Welcome to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Today we prepare quick, packed with flavor and nutritious veggie stir-fried rice noodles in 30 minutes. The preparation includes boiling the noodles, preparing and stir-frying the vegetables, and mixing the sauce. We are using rice noodles. However, you can use any type available in your kitchen, as well as vegetables of your choice. Today we opted for garlic, yellow and green onions, carrot, green and red peppers, mushrooms, zucchini and lettuce. The sauce includes soy sauce, white and black sesame seeds, sriracha, lemon and almond paste. Alternatively, you can use any type of nuts. For the taste, we add the following spices: salt, black pepper, red pepper powder and ginger powder. Instead, you can use a fresh ginger also. For sauteing, we are using olive oil. Please watch the video until the end to find out more about preparation, cooking and serving. Peel and thinly dice 3 cloves of garlic for the base. Follow with slicing a yellow onion, as well as chop a green onion for topping. Julienne both green and red peppers. This will add color and flavor. Dice the oyster mushrooms, any type will work just fine. Julienne zucchini, chop iceberg lettuce. Alternatively, you can use cabbage. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. In another pan, saute garlic and onions with olive oil over medium heat. To the mixture, add salt and pepper and saute onions until softened and caramelized, and followed by stir-frying the rest of the vegetables. Afterwards, add carrots, as well as green and red peppers. Once the water is boiling, add salt and rice noodles and boil for 4 to 6 minutes. Continue with mixing and adding mushrooms, followed by adding zucchini. Once noodles are ready, drain and set aside until vegetables are fried. Into the mixture, add ginger powder, red pepper powder, and white and black sesame seeds. Once veggies are fried, top with chopped green onions, add a tablespoon of sriracha, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of lemon. Add the boiled noodles, mix and stir fry well. Lastly, add almond paste for creaminess and taste, or you can use any other type of nuts. The recipe is ready to serve. Enjoy this easy and tasty meal packed with flavors. Try this delicious recipe and let us know what you think in the comments section. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified of similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm Aid is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm and eat sustainably.